Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verb. So, lash out. Lash out. Lash out. Yeah, here we are. Yeah, lash out. Yeah, so to take your anger out on something. Oh, we lashed out on the boards. Oh, they might lash out. They might lash out on us if that does not happen. If that does not happen, they might lash out on us. He always lashes out on a Friday night. I just want to lash out in the shooting range. Yeah. Some people like to lash out and get rid of their anger by boxing. Ding ding. Maybe. Some people. Yeah. I lashed out at the plants. Okay. We are lashing out now. We are, not is. We are lashing out now, yeah. We are lashing out now, and we, since he lashed out, he now feels better. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. At this rate, he might find an excuse to lash out. Yeah, so he really likes to lash out on the gym equipment. Yeah, but he is quite angry, so leave him alone. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, lash out. Oh. Yeah, look at that, lashing out on the egg. Yes. Now, can you use lash out in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.